Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to share an important piece of information for Canada visa applicants from India. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let us proceed. So guys, after visa application centers were opened in Sri Lanka and Pakistan, a lot of speculation and rumors were on air about when visa application centers are going to open in India. And there was a strong demand also because a lot of applicants are stuck there because they are not able to go for biometric. Many have got passport request letter but they cannot submit their passport. So now finally the Canadian Embassy has provided some information, although they have not provided any confirmed date, but they have described their efforts, that what exactly their plan is and how they are approaching it. So as you can see the official tweet that that visa application centers across India will remain closed for the month of August, and they are working hard to review options to reopen in September. So we may expect these to open in September, although there is no confirmed date and this is not a confirmed piece of information that it will open. But yes, as you can see, they are really trying hard. And while visa application centers are closed, please do not mail your passport or applications to High Commission of Canada. They will be returned without any action because all applications and passports have to be submitted through VSA. So this is the information, guys. So this is gonna end a lot of speculations because a lot of people were guessing on. There are people who spread rumors deliberately, but this is gonna quash all the rumors, and now we have the proper information, although not with a fixed date. So I'll keep you guys updated as and when I hear any information. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you hit a like and comment. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.